Hey Cocoa lovers, how we doing? We're back again with another Easter classic. Today we'll be making the Easter luck. This is just a different name for the Swiss cake. First things first, making a sponge cake. You want this to be as fluffy as possible. Make sure that all ingredients are at room temperature, especially the eggs. Start mixing them up, and then we add the sugar gradually. Okay, in the meantime that this is fluffing up, we go ahead and sift the flour and the other dry ingredients. That's about it. Nice and pale. Look at this. Very fluffy, very airy. We want to maintain all the air inside. And the oil. Careful as well in batches. The batter is ready. We're gonna add it to the mold so we can bake it. This can be a tray for you as well at home. That's okay. Right now we have the sheet cake in the oven. We're gonna whip up the cream and cut up the strawberries afterwards. Add the cream in there. Not too much, we don't want it to be too sweet. I want to keep the balance. And whip it up, full power. Cake ready, strawberries nice and diced. We whipped up the cream, it's in the fridge. We're going to be layering the strawberries and the cream inside of the cake and rolling it up. And later on we'll be making the ganache for the top of the cake and then finishing off with the flowers. Spread the love. Mix up the heavy cream that you've warmed up inside of the chocolate. And this is going to be our ganache for the top of the Easter log.